Positively Making a Difference, a culture audit on Save a Life Pet Rescue. University of Central Florida's Lead Scholars Academy provides a selective, academic, and service-learning leadership development program for first-time in college students. These students are committed to academic excellence and making a difference in the world around them. Our motto is to learn, to lead, and to serve.
The social change model is a process that is built upon 7 core values to promote equity, social justice, and collaboration to foster a positive change. It shows how leadership is a journey and a collaborative effort, not just holding a specific title or position. The 7 core values, or as we call them, the 7 C's, are citizenship, consciousness of self, congruence, commitment, collaboration, controversy with civility, and common purpose.
Our group conducted a culture audit, which is a comprehensive evaluation of an organization's values, beliefs, behaviors, and practices to understand the current workplace culture and identify areas for improvement. We evaluated Save a Life Pet Rescue by conducting in-person interviews with the director and lead volunteers, comparing the espoused and enacted values, and by determining which of the 7 C's could be observed over the course of our audit.
Their stated mission is to save and enrich the lives of dogs of all ages, breeds, sizes, and conditions that have suffered from neglect, cruelty, abandonment, or overpopulation in high-kill animal shelters. While the organization currently operates out of a local pet store, and by fostering the dogs in between weekends, they recently bought nearby land where they will build their first facility.
Save a Life Pet Rescue has impacted over 25,000 lives in the past 20 years. Opening a facility would allow the organization to take in twice as many pets, and they plan on doubling their impact. We chose Save a Life Pet Rescue because we are all dog owners. The location and times were convenient for everyone, and we agree with the organization's mission and values. In order to conduct our culture audit, we volunteered each weekend at the adoption events to better observe the enacted values. Our tasks as volunteers included ensuring pets are comfortable and cared for during the event, answering questions and guiding potential adopters through the process, as well as helping with event setup and cleanup while creating a welcoming environment.
The 7 C's that we saw through the work done by the organization were collaboration, common purpose, and commitment. We saw collaboration with all volunteers working together to set up, clean up, and help get the dogs adopted. We saw common purpose when everyone came together to find a happy and healthy home for the dogs. And then we saw commitment. Every single week, the volunteers stand outside in the hot Florida weather to make sure the dogs find a loving home. The organization is also committed to finding the dogs, picking them up, and fostering them in their own homes until they are adopted.
We found that the organization's espoused values greatly matched what we were able to observe. The mission stated on their website and stated in the interviews with the director and volunteers was exactly what we saw displayed each weekend. During an in-person interview, Director Anna Yost says,
So we are here to save the lives and enrich the lives of homeless pets in animal controls and shelters that don't have a voice.
Throughout our audit, we observed just this. We saw the organization saving dogs of all ages, breeds, sizes, and conditions. Adoption fees were minimal and even included vaccinations, medications, spaying or neutering, as well as other resources.
Over the course of this project, our group learned that caring for animals is not an easy task, and it requires constant teamwork and communication with fellow volunteers and potential adopters to keep the organization running smoothly and to ensure adoption. Working with other volunteers helped us gain a sense of camaraderie and community as we all shared the focus of helping homeless animals that were put into our care.
A main takeaway is that we will continue to volunteer with Save a Life. Aligning with our commitment to the Lead Scholars Program, we believe that volunteering and taking care of these animals, while ensuring they go into a loving home, will continue to make a great difference in our society.
Scan the QR code to visit their website and to learn how you can contribute to their mission today.